She's about to go to the city. Go with her. Go before her. Amen. This is my only child. I have no other. Father, O Lord, may the eyes of the evil one not see her.
Amen.
No weapon fashioned against her shall ever prosper.
Amen.
Be with her.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
I miss you, Mom. I miss you.
Mama, don't cry, okay?
I'm not crying. Just
Make sure you take care of yourself. Thank you, Mama.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, don't cry.
I'm not crying.
You know, if you cry, I'll cry too.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
Mama.
I'm not crying.
Mama, it's okay.
When you get to the city, take care of yourself. When you get there, if the job you're going for is not good, please don't do it. I've always raised you to be a good girl. I know you would not do it.
I will not do it, Mama.
Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Okay, Mama. Mama, please take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Mama, take care of yourself.
I will.
Please take your medication.
I will always do that. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mama, I'll miss you.
It's okay, stop crying.
Okay, Mama.
I'll be here for you.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, remember to call me. Mama, please always call me. Oh.
I will.
Mama, please take your medication.
I will.
Obi, you're crying. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you crying?
I never believed that I will ever leave my mother in this village alone someday.
It's okay. I understand. I understand how you feel, alright? But just remember that this step you're taking is for your mother's good and for your own good too. Don't you want to assist your mom? Don't you want to help her? You don't want to be sending money for her? Eh? You see, Mama is also crying. Mama, I will leave her and go. You're making me feel bad. Obi, stop making your mother cry too now. Mama, stop. See, please, this journey is for your good. This village will not give you anything. It will not give you anything in return. But going out there to make money for your mom is the best thing you can do.
You're right.
I'm always right and I know the best for you. Alright? Don't cry. Everything will be fine. Alright? I'll make sure I take good care of you in the city. You will have fun, trust me. Alright, come and put your bags here.
Well, let me put it close to me there.
Alright. Your wish is my command. Go, stop looking at your mom. She will start crying again. Oh. Mama, take care. Don't worry, we'll be coming to see you from time to time. You will say my bye to your mother. Are you there already? Yeah, just put it and then, okay. I come in front. Mama. Hey. Enter the car, let's go. Mama, don't mind that. Hey, Obi, enter.
Mama, I'll call you. Bye.
Obi, let's go.
Mama, go now.
I will.
Mama, please go inside now. Go inside.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Go inside now.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye, Mama. Mama, I'll call you later. Mama, don't worry. I'll tell Anita to always check on you.
Okay.
Mama, don't forget me.
I will not. I'll always remember you.
Mama, don't forget me, oh. your house?
I don't live here alone, but yes, I own this house. This is my house.
It's so fine.
Thank you, baby.
Very fine.
Thank you. So, shall we?
Dikeh, is it also yours?
You are just coming back from the village. I'm sure you should be very tired by now. Let's go in, shower, drop your bag, have some rest, and we're going to discuss all this later. To answer your question, yes, these are all mine. And I'm sure with you, I'm looking at you. In just some couple of days, or let me say just weeks, you're going to get more of this. Do you understand? That's if you work hard.
Hard?
Ha! Me.
Harder. I'll work hard. Hard. Trust me, I'll work hard and I'll work.
Let's go in.
Now you have made it though. Anyway.
Enter. You are your village life.
Who are all these people? What are they doing here? How did they even get inside this place? It's the same room.
I'm listening, babe. Baby, it's okay. Just relax. I understand what you're saying. See, there's nothing too big for us to sort out, alright? They're my girls. I'll talk to them. Just calm down. Babe, don't worry. I'll make it up for you, right? That's okay. Alright, I've heard you. Let me call you later. We'll finish up, alright? Okay, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Obi. How are you?
Fine.
And how was the first night?
It was okay.
Alright.
But, sorry. There were some mad girls in the room I slept. Who are they?
Mad girls?
Yes, in my room that I slept.
Oh.
How did they get in there?
I can't remember having mad girls in my house. Remember when you came, I told you that I don't stay here alone, but this is my house. Those people you call mad girls are my girls. They work for me. I'm sure they are just coming back from work and I wouldn't want you to disturb them. Let them rest, okay?
Work?
Yes, work.
What kind of job are they coming from this early? What sort of job is that?
I'll explain to you much later. You asked too much questions. I've got some calls to make right now, so... Mama, morning.
Tina!
Obi, what are you doing here?
What's going on here?
I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
Do you girls know each other?
Yes, Mama. She's my sister.
What?
The girl I told you about her some time ago in the village.
Oh. OMG. This one is a small world then. You know, she was my school daughter during my school days. And she's your sister.
Wow. The small world.
Interesting. And why are you coming back now?
Mama, you know now. You know how they be now. You know.
Go in there and freshen up and come and give me updates.
Thank you, Mama. Wow. Obi, so finally you are here. Welcome, my sister. Welcome. We'll talk later. Let me just have some rest.
That's so nice. Freshen up and come and give me updates, girlfriend.
Why is she dressed like that? Hey, is she also coming back from the same work? Oh.
Emenike. Yep. I've been thinking. You know, this is actually the 4th month since you started dating Ginika. Why are you sounding like this? Is there any problem? Well, Emenike, I'm not a doctor. But I'm beginning to think that by now, her pregnancy should be noticeable. Don't you think so? Although I'm not a doctor, but you know, I'm just trying to say because 4 months is a whole lot of months that pregnancy should be noticeable.
Like you rightly said, that you're not a doctor, neither am I. So if the tummy is getting bigger, I don't know.
Emenike, it's not as if I am prognosing into an affair that doesn't concern me. But I suggest you should look deeply into what I just said and find out. Huh?
Anyway, thank you for your new observation, but it cannot turn me into an investigator trying to ask for what is not relevant. If the tummy is coming out, when the time comes to protrude.
Emenike, why do you always shade off each time I raise a relevant topic as friends? This is an important issue. You know what, I just think it's necessary for you to look into it, and that's why I raised it up.
Anyway, I have to rush out now, okay? I will see you some other time. My regards to Esther. Okay?
You are leaving?
Yeah.
Why is he always acting up each time I raise up a relevant issue that we must have to talk about? What is even my own problem? What is even my own problem? You know, prognosing into affair that doesn't concern me.
Don't touch. Come here. I will not. I will not. I will not. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come here. You can't run away from me. You can't run away from me. You can't run away from me. Babe, stop this. Just stop this. Stop deceiving me. Babe, you can't do... Okay, give me your hand. Let me drag you up. Babe, stop this now. Babe. 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 Hey! Babe. Oh God. Where's my khaki? Where's my khaki?
Emenike, I went to the hospital as you asked me to, and they told me you were gone. What happened?
Chike, I can't believe what I'm going through right now.
What you're passing through? Tell me, is everything okay? How is she? Emenike, talk to me now. This your calmness is really getting me worried, honestly. You are so troubled, you are not seeing anything, and what is really happening? Is she okay?
This is my 3rd day here. And up until now, Sandra has not said anything concerning the work she brought me here to do. All these girls in our house, about 10 of them. What kind of work do they do only at night? And Tina, that one, she's been avoiding me.
Are you going out? Yes, I want to go see someone. That reminds me, I've transferred the 30,000 to your mother, to the account she sent.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine.
Thank you.
I want to rush to see someone. I'll be back in the evening, okay?
But can I just talk to you briefly?
I think I know what you want to discuss. Relax. Calm down. When I return, we'll talk about it. And, you know, good news though. I'm actually going to meet the person for the job I promised you about.
Okay.
So relax.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay, I'll wait till you come back.
Don't wait here. Go inside.
Be strong. Don't rely. Be have patience. Have patience. One day go better. One day go better. Things will turn around one day. Stop crying.
You've been silent since we came back from the hospital. You've not said a word to me. What's going on? Are you alright?
Why?
Why what?
Ginika, why?
Why what? I don't.
Do you have to lie to me with something as delicate as pregnancy? Do you have to?
I didn't lie to you.
You lied to me that you're pregnant.
I'm still pregnant.
Hey, my friend, shut up. Stop that rubbish. Stop that your pretentious attitude. Stop lying to me. What's your problem? Huh?
I didn't lie to you.
Doctor, how is she? Is she okay?
Don't worry, she'll be fine in a moment.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, she will.
Alright, thank you. What of the baby?
The baby?
Yes.
I'm sorry, there was no baby.
Doctor, sorry, I need to be clarified here. I mean, does she have a miscarriage or something?
No, I mean, she's not pregnant. Yeah, from all the tests and x-ray we conducted on her, she wasn't pregnant. She wasn't. She was not pregnant.
Ginika, what would you gain from doing this? I gave you all my trust. See how you betrayed it.
But, sweetie, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you from the
You love me and you betrayed me. You lied to me.
I didn't want to lose you, that's why I said that. I'm truly sorry from the bottom of me.
You didn't do it because you love me. You did it because of my money. It's my money you wanted. And it's very clear to me now.
It's not true. Please.
Hey, do not touch me. Do you know what? Huh? A relationship built on lies cannot last. So I've lost all the interest in you. I've lost the trust I have for you. So, you have to find your way to the guest room. And tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, pack your things and leave my house. Is that clear?
Sweetie, please, I'm sorry.
Cheers.
Hey, I'm sorry, I love you. Please don't do this.
If you touch me, I'll slap you. I'll give you a little slap.
Please don't do this.
You be my moo. I carry what you like. My oil ATM machine. My oil ATM machine. He is in love. Love don't blindfold. My oil ATM machine. My oil ATM machine. You can love her. You can trust her because of love. You can.
How could you? Felisa, how could you?
Honey, what is the problem? What did I do?
How could you do this to me? How could you betray me, Felisa? I trusted you. You connived with your friend Gineka to rip Emenike off. Someone who just got out from heartbreak, and both of you succeeded in taking him back to it.
Honey, I don't understand what you're talking about. Make me understand you.
Spare me that. So you're trying to tell me you are not aware that Gineka lied to Emenike that she was pregnant?
What? She didn't tell me. She did not. I'm not aware of this.
You're telling me the truth?
Yes, I'm as surprised as you are.
Just make sure you're telling me the truth. Because if I'm to find out that you are not telling me the truth,
Hi, Tina, you have disappointed me. So this is what you people do in the city, prostitution. Hi.
Obi, you won't understand.
What will I not understand? Eh? What is it that I will not understand?
Please bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
Hi.
Sandra will not be happy to see the both of us here. And I don't want to lose this as shall walk.
I don't care what Sandra thinks. I do not care if she does not even want to see me again in this world. What is this now? Tina, see, if it is this work Sandra actually brought me to this city for, me, I will not do it though. I will not. She should just count me and she should just forget it. Ha! But Tina, you, even you.
Hey, Obi, things are hard in this country.
God.
The only way you can survive here, especially in this city, now this shall work. See, okay, make I bust your brain now. You see all those money where they give you that time? All those hospital bill where I pay for mama. You think say nah, just the beg. Now this shall work, give me that money. And besides now, Sandra give me all those money. So you need to work.
I will return them. Yes, I will work hard and I will return it. See, I don't want anything to do with this your business. I will return every single money that you spent on my mother. Even if it means working for the rest of my life. It will only take me time. Just give me small time. I know I will hustle hard in the village. I will make it and I will send the money back to you. Don't worry about that. If you want me to return it, just say it now. So that I will just go back to the village immediately and start work. By the time I start buying more plantain to add to the corn I'm selling, I know I will make it and I'll return your money to you.
Please, whatever thing you are saying, or if you want to go back to the village and do this, do not disappoint Sandra. Sandra, no, they joke with this Ashawo work.
I don't care.
Do not disappoint her. She will not be happy
Tina,
with you.
You see this talk? I don't want to hear it.
You better hear it.
Tina, I don't want to hear this talk.
Come back and use that thing and get money for Sandra. Oh. Hey, I don't put myself for trouble. I shouldn't have told her. I should have waited till Sandra tells her. Hey, me, I don't want to lose this. I shall walk. Oh.
May I have the pleasure to introduce the manager of PG Holdings. She insisted on coming to see you herself before she would sign the contract.
Oh, finally. Manager, you're welcome.
The pleasure is all mine. And please call me Tony.
Okay. Tonya, nice name.
Thank you.
I hope you got the blueprint we sent to you.
I wouldn't have been here if the answer is no. My boss was impressed. I would have come personally. But for some business errands, I came in this place.
That's beautiful. I love what I heard. Yeah. Okay. Once we see your signature on the contract, we start off work.
Well, why the delay? I will sign it immediately.
Oh.
Where are the papers?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm coming. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So
thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. So, Mr. Imenike, what do you do with your free time?
Excuse me?
Well, surely I know you don't bury yourself with work. You are the boss here. Definitely you must have a free time. So what do you do with your free time?
Anyway, I am not that outgoing person much. I'm an introvert. So most of the time I spend indoors. Why do you ask?
Okay. Well, Mr. Emenike, let's say I would like to hang out with you. What do you have to say about that?
That will be fine only when the deal is done and sealed.
Okay.
Oh. The file?
Yeah, the file.
Okay. So.
Okay. Here is the document. That's good.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Very wonderful.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Anything I do, I know you know the best I know. Anything I do, I know you know the best I know.
That's my
Are you well? ATM machine. Are you well? ATM machine. Are you well?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So please keep in touch.
Good deal.
Oh, yeah.
You be my boo-boo. I carry what
Emenike. What was that all about?
I don't know. But I think she's not just here for business.
So, will you call her?
Maybe once. I will have a date maybe once, and that's all. Because I'm not interested in any kind of relationship now. Even if I should not. Even if I want to not. Okay. That's That's okay.
Obi, that is why I said you need to work hard so you can acquire this beautiful luxuries you're seeing here for yourself in the nearest time. You've seen my girls. They all work hard, very hard, and they're doing well for themselves. I'm sure Tina is going to put you through though. You don't have anything to worry about.
I'm not interested.
Sorry?
I said I'm not interested.
You know, baby girl, you need to calm down. You need to calm down with your decisions. You don't make hasty decisions when you're angry. Relax. Take your time and think about what you just said.
But there is nothing to think about. But if this is the reason you brought me from the village, then I'd rather travel back to the village. I don't want to do this. Please.
Now, there's a whole lot to think about, baby girl.
I'm not interested, Isa.
I know you will think about it, baby girl. Just give yourself some time and you think about it. Yeah.
You know, I've never had a woman decide on what I will eat at the restaurant.
It's okay. I hope you enjoyed every bit of the meal.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay. Emenike, I've been meaning to ask. Do you have a woman in your life?
Not at the moment.
You haven't seen the right one, or you are not ready yet?
I've had a series of heartbreak and I'm not finding it fair with women, okay? And I decided to just focus on my family business and that is it.
Yeah.
And why are you asking?
Just for something to say. I've been in the States for a while. I was staying with my dad. And I met this guy. He promised to marry me. Guess what? Unfortunately, on our wedding day, this guy disappeared. Leaving me at the altar.
Wow.
So since then, I haven't been in a serious relationship. Then I decided to come back to Nigeria.
Wow. Oh, that's so sad. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, I'm fine. Please, I'm working now.
Yeah, thank you for the meal. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you too.
I have to run along now.
No problem. Thanks.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call good sometimes is not good. No wonder to see. No, not to what to do. To if only you can watch your there are fake people around you. If only you can see your there are fake people around you. If only you can read their mind. There are fake people around you. If only you can see their there are fake people around you. If only you can see their mind. There are fake people around you. If only you can feel this. There are fake people around you.
Hi. What are you doing here by this time of the night? I mean, how did you look at me? How did you look at me?
I know you'll be surprised.
Yes, I am.
I was actually doing some research in the area and I didn't realize how late it was until it was late. So I decided to come here since we are acquainted.
And how did you know I live here?
I found your residential address in a write-up I saw in your car the last time we hanged out. Your gate man refused to let me in until I told him I'm your new girlfriend. And I showed him the pictures we took at the eatery. I can leave if you don't want me here. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I'm sorry for the interrogation. Just that I don't like unannounced visits. Yeah.
A man with principles. I like that.
Yeah, thank you. I was actually going to sleep before I heard you knocking.
You have a nice house though.
It's my father's house, but he's not in town now.
That's good.
It's alright. Let me show you to the guest room.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey. Hey. What's the meaning of this now? Good morning, Ginoye. What's the meaning of this?
What do you mean?
What are you doing here?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? I thought I showed you where to sleep last night. Then why are you on my bed?
What exactly is your problem?
Hey.
Can't you read signs? Must everything be spelled out for you? I've been throwing myself at you right from day one.
Why are you throwing yourself at me? Are you a volleyball?
You know I play football too. What is it?
Who is this?
I say, who is this? I don't know if you are naive or too dumb to notice. No wonder you haven't been able to keep a steady relationship. You never know Zuzuwali. Rubbish.
Come on, Seba, get down.
I'm getting down. I don't blame you.
You're here enjoying foam. Good foam.
Enjoying what?
Leave this place.
After doing 3 rounds, you are complaining. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
She's not even my snake. We did 3 rounds. Come on, shut up, bro. What's this now? Then 2 minutes not soon car.
If only you can watch your people around you. If only you can see your people.
Emenike, if I'm to get you correctly, you woke up and saw her beside you and then asked her what she was doing there. She fled up.
In my own household.
Oh no, this is worse. I mean, this is the worst of them all. Honestly, Emenike, I do not encourage such a relationship. I said I do not encourage such a relationship.
And who told you that we are in a relationship?
Oh, you are not in a relationship. And then you allowed her to come to your house by that hour of the night. If you don't have anything going on between both of you.
Chike, does it mean that all the things I've been telling you here, you're not even listening to me? Goes in here and goes out to the other ear.
Bro, if you don't have anything good.
Hi.
Hi. Good day.
Good day. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm here to apologize for my behavior this morning at your place. It was very wrong of me, and I shouldn't have acted in such a rude manner. I am sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I bear no grudge against you. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you so much. I prepared this food for you.
Oh.
I know you hardly eat once you start working.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is thoughtful of you.
Thank you. I have to run along now.
Okay.
I'll be having a meeting with my boss in a few minutes. He doesn't like to be kept waiting, so let me just...
Okay. Yeah,
I'll come for my flask later.
Don't worry, I can even bring it for you.
No, I'll come for my flask. Bye-bye.
Obi, you're a very beautiful girl. Why are you being so naive? You have all it takes to make millions.
Sandra, I've told you this several times. And I don't want to repeat myself. But your several preachings cannot make me change my mind. Please, I am not interested.
Obi, do you know why I'm lenient with you? It's because of who you are to me. See, listen. Nobody has ever proved so stubborn to me before. No one.
Well, you made a mistake. You made a mistake by thinking I would like to join you in this your dirty and unholy business.
What?
Yes.
Obi, you've got 3 days. 3 good days to think about what you want. Do you understand? If not, I am going to send you back to the village where I picked you from. And that's a fact.
Well, I don't need 3 days of grace. It's not necessary. I've already made up my mind and it's final. I am not interested. I should start going back now. Thank you.
Obi, come back here. Look at this idiot I bought from the village just to give her, just to make her belong. That's okay. I think I know what to do. I will stop giving this girl food in my house. By the time she starves, she'll realize she's supposed to join my girls and make money for me. Idiot. I don't blame her. It's alright.
Arrangement is this? Huh? Imenike has totally gone nuts because of these girls. Huh? And my problem is that he don't even like anybody to interfere with his decision. Well, no problem. Let's see how it goes.
So, Obi, what is your final decision now?
I'm not doing it. Even if she has decided not to give me food anymore, no problem.
I heard her saying this morning that you must refund the whole money she spent on you and Mama. Think about that too.
That's fine. But she will give me time. She'll give me time to look for another job and raise the money for her.
Where will you stay if you get the work, if I may ask?
I'll hang around here. Why are you laughing?
Ha! Obi, do you think she will let you? You better accept to do this show work. You can quit later. That is what most of us do here. You better think of that too. Anyway, it's up to you to decide. You can choose what you want. A shower no be bad work.
Yeah, I will not do it. I will not do it. I will beg her. I will beg her to let me get another job. Then pay her all her money. It's as simple as that. I will beg her. I know she will listen to me. I don't have to do this.
Well, I tell you about. My guy just decide me go see my people just like that. Huh? Because after big Oga and big Madam travel go America, I never go see my people. Oga just decide me go see my people just like that. Can't give me big money, join now. Huh? Wait too. Hope so no be sack be this so. Hope so no be sack me like this so. Okay, I go die put for this matter. Anyway, Sha, she said I come back after 3 months. Since I don't see opportunity now and he give me transport. And then I go see my people now. After I don't even miss them, safe. I go see my people. Don't ever see them. I go miss this fine house, Sha. I miss it.
No. What's so funny? Yeah, not funny. What's so funny?
No. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Emenike. But I mean, I couldn't help it. Wait, Emenike, are you sure about this, your idea? Are you sure this idea will work?
See, I am happy with my new job, okay? But yes, since the other idea didn't work. So, be careful with me.
You really look so funny. Like, you really look so funny in this dress. Seriously.
Now it's time to put a notice on that gate that a female cook is needed here.
Why? Why do you have to? Why do you need a female cook?
Who is there? Who is that?
Who is that useless gate man? I will just have to call your boss and get him fired. Why must they keep me waiting? Open this gate! Why must they keep me waiting?
Who is that?
Open this gate! Come on, open this gate, Joe.
Don't like this, my master. The work is on now. Play your card well. I've never felt it before. Hold on. I'm coming.
Come on, open this gate.
Sorry, you. Welcome.
Are you mad?
Why are you up? Hey. Welcome, ma.
Oh my God. Emenike, please, I'm so sorry, okay? Why are you putting on this?
My friend, what is still keeping you there?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm bringing it.
My friend, will you bring that in inside? Do not waste my time. Do not keep me waiting.
Okay, I'll bring it now.
Wait. What is going on here? Is that not your colleague at the office?
Go, please. I'm very busy now. I'm very busy. Go now. Go, I'm busy. Go now, I'm busy. Just go.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call get sometimes is not gain. No one dog could you see.
I'm coming, sir.
No, not to what to do.
Leave us alone!
Around you. There are fake people around you. If only you can read their fake people around you. If only
What was the meaning of that? Emenike, a gate man, in the same house I have once visited as his house. Mba, I have to repeat my visit. I think this guy is playing games with me. It won't work. I must repeat my visit. I will come another day. I will come another day.
But one thing is for sure in this life.
What nonsense. Emenike, a gate man, in the same house I have once visited as his house. I have to repeat my visit. I think this guy is playing games with me. Emenike is playing games with me. Problem. I must repeat my visit. What nonsense!
I can't keep staying here like this. Else hunger will kill me. I had to lie to my mother about the job I was doing in the city. If I tell her the truth, it will break her. I think it's high time I go out there and look for something to do. Yes, I need to look for a job. Sandra cannot keep me caged in this place. I need to make a move. Yes.
What? You're still putting on those rubbish?
Yeah, so this is where I found myself. You know, I lost everything I had to the bank.
Tell me you are kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Emenike.
Sir.
What is it for me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, come here.
Sir.
How are you? My friend, open the gates.
Can I follow you to the junction?
Okay.
Get in the car.
Thank you, sir.
My friend, will you open the gates?
Open the gates! Now,
what we call love sometimes is not love. What we call game sometimes is not game. No wonder Kuko GC. No, not to what to do. To if only you can watch your fake people around you. If only you can see your fake people around you. If only you can read their fake people around you. If only you can see their fake people around you. If only you can see their fake people around you. If only you can feel the fake people around you. No wonder
Obiageli! Obiageli! Who is this fool? Obiageli! Where is Obiageli? Oh my. She's not around. Answering from there. Are you crazy? I said, where is Obiageli? You've not seen her. Call that girl. Tell her that I said I do not want to see her legs in this compound again. I don't want her anymore in my house. Someone else will come and replace her. And that's for a fact. You have her number. Call her. I don't want to see her legs in this compound. You know what? I'm coming. Tell this guy I don't want to stay in this house. If I see it, I'm going to skin her alive. If I get this guy in this house, I will skin both you and her alive. Rubbish.
Be strong. Afufu Ever since my father left us in this world, this has never been the same.
I feel like fainting.
It has been one problem.
Maybe I should just go back. I'm just so tired.
No help, no good job at all to help mama.
Still not calling me.
No good job at all to help mama.
Hello?
No help, no good job at all to help mama.
I went out. If I continue to stay in that house, I will die of hunger. I can't keep staying there idle. What? You... Sandra... No problem, I'm coming. Sandra threw my veins out. Oh God, what do I do? Can you stop making noise? God, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Alpha.
Hi.
Mama don't see you.
No.
Take this, use our whole body.
No, please, no.
Why?
Nothing. Please, just...
What? Are you still in this house? Are you still in this house, Obi? I thought I told you to leave my house.
I will leave tomorrow.
You what? Are you crazy? I told you to leave my house before I come downstairs and you're still here?
Well, I can't leave this night. That's why I said I will leave.
I don't care. I don't care if it's midnight, early morning, afternoon. I don't care. You must leave my house, Obi. This night, this very moment, you're leaving my house. Get my house!
My bag!
Get out of my house!
My bag!
Get out!
Oh, my bag!
Get out!
Hey!
Get out of my house! Rubbish! Idiots! And you, what was happening here? What was was happening here? I said what was happening here? What was going on here? If you go through my back, I will skin your life in this house. Now go to work. Go to work! Fools! Now shower be. I dey make money. You won't come chop money. And you don't want to do a shower work. Now crazy worry you. Idiot. Rubbish. I'm not fear.
Hello?
Dikeh, darling, how is it?
Fine.
You are speaking with
I know it's you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Sorry to disturb. How about having lunch with you today? I really want us to discuss something.
Oh, okay. Alright, call me when you're ready.
Alright, sweet dreams.
Okay. See, Minike was right after all. All women are after money and riches. Well, but my Vanessa is exceptional. That's good.
Where is Obiageli?
Understand.
What do you mean by you don't understand? Are you crazy? Or are you deaf? I ask again. Where is Obiageli?
I have not set my eyes on her since the day you threw her things away from this house.
You lie. You lie, Tina. Obiageli is still in this city. And I know you are hiding her away from me.
I'm not aware of that, ma.
You are lying, Tina. You are lying.
Mama, I can't lie to you.
Really?
I can't.
So you're telling me that I don't know where Obiageli is?
Of course, I don't know.
Oh, okay. That's alright. You can leave. I said you can leave. You can't hide from me, it's not possible. I will fish you out wherever you are hiding. That's the fact. You cannot hide from me. 1 or 2 calls, I'll fish you out. You don't know who you're messing with.
Hey, I think I'm interested though. I'm interested. I can cook. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I saw your notice outside the gate. I said, let me come in and apply.
Oh, you did well. Okay, so can you cook?
Hey, Philmond, I can cook. Hey, don't go there. I cook very well. Yes, sir.
So have you served in any public place as a cook?
No, sir, not really, but I cook everything. I cook spaghetti, I cook indomie, I cook fried rice and chicken. I also cook our local dishes. Or achicha, na bobo. Hey, you check here. You should get pufu. I want you like here.
What's that?
Oh, Sorry, sir. It's just that these are our local dishes there. If I cook it for you, Alakwa, you will not leave me. You will always be looking for me. You like it? Yes, sir.
It's okay. Okay. Once you're stepping out there, there is a book on top of the table. You will see. Write your name, your address, and your contact. You will be called for an interview.
I don't understand how. As what? How? Which book? So because I came here to apply to cook for you, what you say you will even like it, you will enjoy and pass me. Then you want to carry the interview over. I should go and write my name as waiting. Abraham school. Oga, hold your interview and your book. Hold your book. Because I'm here to apply. Apply to.
Hold on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Come in. What do you want?
I saw the advertisements there for work.
I don't blame anybody because I am here for a cooking job. That's why people are booking me for another day. I don't blame anybody. Nonsense. Look at just ordinary cooking work and you want to book me for another interview. I don't blame you, sir. I blame myself for coming here.
What do you want?
See, you and your guy under the mad.
How?
I don't blame you because I came here to look for a cook. That's why people work. I beg.
Oh, no. You're welcome. Okay, what will happen now is that you keep your bag here. Keep your bag here.
Okay, sir.
Hey, just keep it. Don't romance it. Come.
Ginika, what do you want me to do now? You betrayed me, and now you are telling me to follow you and go and beg Eminike.
Babe, I'm sorry. I know I wronged you, but it wasn't intentional. Please help me beg Eminike. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry from the bottom of my heart.
So why did you lie about the pregnancy?
You know now, I was thinking I was going to be pregnant before he realizes. But it didn't work that way. I truly love this guy. I do.
Ginika, are you sure you love Eminike or his money?
How can you say a thing like that now? If there's anybody that should be saying all this, not you. I truly love Eminike, not his money. Let me talk to your fiancé now. You can convince him. You know. Okay?
Okay, let me call my husband.
Thank you.
So, have you worked in any company or institution before?
No, sir.
No? Have you worked in any restaurant before or eatery?
No, sir.
No again? So what makes you think you are qualified for this job?
Sir, I can cook very well. Yes, I can cook very, very well. My mother taught me how to cook different kinds of food from when I was very small till now. I can cook international food. I can cook local food too. I can cook everything.
Enough!
Sir, please, I really need this job. Please help me.
I'm sorry, but you're not qualified for this job.
Sir, please.
No, you don't have to do this. Stand up.
Stand up, please. The point is that we need a capable hand, more qualified person than homeschool person. So, I don't think you fit in for what we need. You can go. Make use of the door. And ensure you shut the door when you leave. You still here?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, please. Continental local homeschool.
How did he go? Why are you crying?
He said, I'm not good enough for the job.
Hey, huh?
I was really hoping to get this job.
Hey, whoa.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Hi. Whoa. We have given you this job now.
I just go back to the village to my mother. Instead of thinking I'm suffering.
Hey.
Sir?
Huh? Okay, the gate. You want to pass through the gate?
Yes, sir.
Oh, whoa. Come first. Hello? Come and sit down. Just come first now. Sit down and wait. Let me talk to my Oga.
But he had already made up his mind.
He listens to me. Just don't worry, okay? Let me talk to him first. Sit. Take your bag. Sit, I'm coming. Sit down, okay? Take your bag. Boss, what are you trying to do? What do you mean by what am I trying to do? Do you have to be harsh on that poor girl?
Boss, this your good heart will not do you any good. You don't even know her from the background. And you just allowed her in like that.
Does that girl look like someone who will be lying?
How will you know, boss? How will you know? Boss, listen. You asked me to be in charge here. And I will be strict with any lady that enters these premises. That girl is not fit for this job. We agreed that we should be careful.
It's okay, just calm down. Eh? Take me by my words on this one. Just allow that girl to be in one of the guest rooms. Okay? She doesn't have anywhere to go to.
Well, it's okay. After all, it's your house. No. So, you are not taking her in?
I never said so.
Then what is she doing here?
Come on, let's go inside. Huh? Do you say that Ginika will be coming here?
That was what Vanessa said. She's aware of everything.
Okay, come on.
Did he change his mind?
I just say you should come with me. Come on, let's go.
Anything
I do, follow me.
Anything I do,
Keep your bag on you, place your
the guy na my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM is in love. My all you well, ATM machine. You be my boo, carry what you like.
Yeah.
My all you well, ATM machine.
Welcome.
What is this? Is this a joke?
Huh? No, it's not a joke.
Are you a gates man or what? I don't understand.
As you can see, that is what I am. Yeah, the truth is that I am not what you think I am. I am not whom I claim to be. Okay? The owner of the house came back. Then I have to go back to my post.
This is unbelievable. Girl, let's just get out of this place.
Sorry, let me get settled. Sit down. I hope you came to see me, right?
Yes. No. You're not the one I came to see. Me, Ginika.
For Ginika, we came to see
me. Let's talk.
Let's sit down and talk about this.
Talk about what? Me, Ginika, came to see a stupid gate man. Let's get out of this place.
Ginika!
Guinea.
Please, let's go, Joe. Why are you behaving like this? Eh? I thought we are here to beg him on your behalf.
No, not a gate man.
Eh? Ha! Ginika, I thought you said that you love this guy.
I didn't say I love a gate man. I love Emenike, not the gate man.
And what if he disguised himself?
What? Vanessa! What do you mean he disguised himself? Vanessa!
My guy, you need to see the drama at the gate today.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. But those people are evil. All they want is my money.
Do you know that the one called Tonya has been on my neck? Asking me for a date. Can you imagine? And she has been calling me like series of calls. I've neither picked or returned back her call.
No, you have to call her.
I don't have to. Are you serious or something?
So yes,
you must be very stupid.
Yes, I'm stupid, sir.
How dare you? You are sorry.
Yes.
You are sorry, for real. Now get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out! Are you sick or something? You come back. Have you washed my cars?
Very well.
Have you washed them properly?
Very well.
Especially the tires?
It's black.
Get out.
Very well.
Get out!
Thank you, sir.
Mannerless.
Sorry, sir.
Yes?
I wanted to cook food, lunch.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come back. I would like to eat egusi soup and pounded yam. Ensure you pound the yam very well.
Okay, sir.
Good. All you need are in the kitchen.
Okay, sir.
It's okay.
Anything I do, I know you know there's a more. Anything I do, I know you know there's a more.
I would have asked them any care what type of food you would like to prepare.
The guys now my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM. This is love.
Oh, thank you, my dear. I was already starving. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. So, sorry, what is your name?
Obiageli.
Obiageli. Wow, what a nice name.
Thank you, sir. Also, thank you for standing for me with your boss. You know, thank you. If not for you, I will not be here by now. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. You just have to bear with him.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry about the way he spoke to you inside.
It's okay. Thank you.
I'll come back for the plates later.
Okay. Thank you.
Babe, are you trying to say this could be a disguise?
You know, some guys are capable of doing that, so I don't know.
Why would he do a thing like that?
Like I said, baby girl, I don't know.
You know, I have this feeling to go back and confirm what we saw the other day.
I think your thoughts are okay. So just do how you feel though.
That guy used to have money. All of a sudden, a Gates man. It's not just adding up.
You worry too much, girlfriend. If you ask me, I think you should go back there and check well for yourself.
I do need that. I do. It's not a bad deal.
I don't know, have you finished eating so that I can carry the plate?
Oh yes, that's a plate there.
Okay.
I never knew you can cook like this. Oh. Your food is so delicious. I can't remember the last time I ate a delicious food like this.
Thank you.
Your food is so fantabulous.
Thank you. Do you have any dirty clothes so that I can help you wash them? I know that you're always busy seated by the gate, so you might not really have time.
Yeah, that's so thoughtful of you. Anyway, I did that yesterday. Yes.
In that case, let me allow you continue.
It's okay. Hey. Hey!
Yeah.
Now, I was even carried away. I was looking at you. I was carried away.
Okay. I don't want to be calling you security all the time. So please, what is your name?
Emenike.
Okay.
Emenike. Who is that? Tonya. Tonya.
What is it? What is it? No, please. I don't have anything to do with you. Just get out.
The person you came to see is not around. So you just have to go.
For your information, I spoke with him on the phone and he told me he was at home.
Do not argue with me. He's not around. Now get out. Out.
What? Wait a minute. Who are you to order me around? Answer me. Who are you to order me around? Don't worry. I will talk to your boss. I can say you want to go begging on the street because I will make sure you lose this job. Idiot. I'm not off here. I need to call himself. What's wrong? Ajungi, get out. How can I ask you? I know he's busy. He's busy right now. You pick later. Let me just keep trying. Switch off.
Check a leke jambocha. He will lodge. Then call the Fido Dido. Rewenko.
I was actually coming to your house, Vanessa. I hope there's no problem. Are you hiding something away from me? Hiding something from me? Like what? I feel there's something you're not telling me. That's what I'm talking about.
Babe, I don't understand you. Clear me, because I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Is Emenike actually a gate man or he is disguising? That's what I'm talking about.
Hey. See me see wahala. Gineka.
Vanessa.
Were you not the one that followed me to his former house? What did you see?
You actually said things that got me thinking. And I've been pondering on those words. What are you insinuating?
Please. Don't start. I mean, why all the sudden interest on Emenike? I thought you said you don't want him. That you are no longer interested in him. So, what's up with the new attitude of Emenike this, Emenike that?
And if I say I don't like him making Nike, and so what? Are you the one to decide for me what I will say and how I will react? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Really?
You're just a drama queen. Please excuse me, I have where I'm going soon. Excuse me.
Vanessa!
Oh, please, don't Vanessa me.
Vanessa!
Where is she? Let's not cook for nothing, girl. Obiageli? Where is she?
Sir? Sir, I'm here, sir. Sir.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
You are not stupid.
No.
So why do you allow me to be raising my voice, shouting your name in this compound like a madman if you are not stupid?
I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me, sir. Don't be angry.
Any little thing. I am sorry, sir. Don't be angry. You will always find reasons to justify your stupidity. So tell me one reason why I shouldn't get angry with you.
Because you're a good person. I'm sorry, sir.
You're a good person. Well, take this. These are my clothes.
Yes,
Ensure you wash them properly.
yes, sir.
And one more thing. Concentrate on the armpits.
Okay, sir.
And iron those clothes once you're done.
I will, sir.
Get out of my sight.
Sorry.
Hey!
Yes, sir.
Do not spill the water in this compound. You know where to discard the water.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Afufu webu kwanaram Obiageri nwa Egu wa bariga niyo Kaibibe Opuru no.
I want to ask you, why are you doing this job of the security man?
Nothing, but just that this is the only way I sustain myself because there's nobody to help me. Yeah.
Okay. So, how much is your salary? Sorry, I'm asking you.
No, it's nothing. There's nothing to hide there. I'm just a very simple person. It's 15,000 naira.
Only?
It's small, right?
Yes, it's too small. Besides, you're a man and... Well, how long have you been working here?
Let's say 5 months now.
Okay. Mine is 10,000 naira. But don't worry, I'll talk to Oga to see if he can increase your salary.
You talk to Oga. You think he will listen to you?
Well, I know he's a very harsh man, but I will try.
You idiot! What are you doing there?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. And you are sitting there with that man, that useless man.
Sorry, sir.
No, you should be sorry for yourself. Are you stupid?
Sir? Sorry, sir.
My friend, will you get inside?
Sorry, sir.
What?
Sorry, sir.
Stupid. Yes, and you. I'm talking to you, sir. What are you doing there?
The gate.
Will you get inside?
Inside the gate.
Now, where are you going?
I'll keep it. I'll see.
Will you get back to your duty post? Yes, sir. Get inside.
Anything I do, I know you know the face I know.
Rubbish. Come, get in your duty post.
ATM machine, my all you well. ATM machine, the guy na my all you well. My ATM machine, my all you well. ATM is in love, my all you well. ATM machine, you be my boo. I got it with you.
Obegeli. Obele. Obegeli.
Sir?
Come.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
I must say, you cook well. It was really tasty.
Thank you, sir.
No. No matter how I feel like judging you, you still impress me.
Thank you, sir. Sir, while I was washing your clothes, I saw this money inside one of the pockets of your trousers, sir. So I said, let me bring it to you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. That's good. So, why wouldn't you just have some for yourself, you know, to buy some?
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You don't need it?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
I got it. It's alright.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes?
Please, don't be angry with what I want to say.
Okay, come. Ask me anything.
It's about Brother Imenike, the security man, sir.
Imenike?
Yes, sir.
And what about him?
Sir, please, can you just please increase his salary? You know he's a man, and...
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you lost it?
Yes. No, sir.
How dare you?
Yes, sorry, sir.
Since when do you turn to Imenike's advocate? Huh? What gave you such temerity? How will you get back to your duty post?
Thank you,
and
sir.
never you repeat such nonsense again?
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Stupid girl. And ensure you take away that plate
yes,
there.
Sir.
Yes. Stupid.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder could you see? No, not to what to do. Who
is that?
Me.
You who? What's it me? You who?
Imenike.
Matago, they can't make my gate. What are you doing here?
I came to confirm what I saw the last time. So you're still putting on this gate man's clothes?
Now you've seen it. So?
Hey! Thank God I did not fall for you.
I never pushed you, so what would you fall?
You don't need to push me. Oh. Look at this stupid gate man. Huh? Me, Guinea can marry a gate man. God forbid, I wouldn't have done that.
Can you leave this place? Lele. So let me even ask you. In your wildest dream, you think I'm a gate man? Huh? Oh, sorry about that. Huh? For your information, I still own everything in my possession.
Huh?
Yes. I'm doing this thing for the likes of you that love me because of my money. So unfortunately, you're a fool. I'm not a gate man. I am still the owner of this place.
Come on, Lele. Come on. I see you again. I'll get you arrested.
I still love you now.
Yeah, come on, here now. Please. Animal. Look, go there. Animal. Let me see you here again. In your mind, I'm a gate man. How many came wagging? How many came go there? You who? Who are you? Those food are soured. They've soured. Omagoka, go home. You're a fool. Love will carry into you.
If only you can see the perfect people around you. If only you
Emenike, please now. I still love you all. Emenike, please don't do this to me. Remember those foods I used to cook for you all. Those nice foods. Hey. Emenike. Hey. Am I dreaming? Someone should wake me up. Emenike! Hey! Am I dreaming? Sandra was right after all. Does Vanessa know about this?
Ginika, what are you doing here?
Are you aware that Emenike was acting in disguise?
And what kind of stupid question is that?
Whoa, me, Ginika, stupid question. So you knew? So you knew?
Ginika, I thought you said you are no longer interested in Emenike. You said you don't love Emenike anymore. So why are you bothering about him? It's not my business to know whether he's disguising himself or not.
Hey, what would one not say? So you knew? You just betrayed me, you know.
Oh, please. You betrayed yourself. Do not blame me for your misfortune. Nonsense.
Look at that stupid girl. Did she just talk to me like that? Okay, just wake me up. Maybe I'm dreaming. Do you know what I feel like doing? What? I feel like strangling that idiot that calls herself my friend. Seriously.
Did I not warn you? Did I not tell you? You were so fast to take action when you saw him in the security uniform. That was so fast of you. I warned you, babe.
But what do you expect me to do? How was I supposed to know?
The question is, what are you going to do at this situation right now?
I don't know. I'm so confused right now. I don't know.
Should I advise you?
Tell me, please.
I think you should go and beg him to forgive you.
Really? Do you think he will forgive me?
There she goes again. Just try. If I were you though I'm not you, but if I were you, I will go to his house Kneel down? What am I saying? No. I will lie down and beg him to forgive me with tears in my eyes though. I'll convince him to forgive me. So I think he should just go and ask for forgiveness.
This idiot has started again today. I think it's high time I told Chika about this. That idiot needs to be fired. Eh? What is all this? Open this gate!
Who could that be? Eh? Miniki is out.
Who is that?
Baby, I am happy to see you.
Tonya, how are you? Well, let me lock the gates. The gate man is not here. How are you?
I'm fine. Where is that your useless gate man? I am sure you fired him.
Anyway, I gave him suspension.
Oh, baby. Suspension is not enough now. Sack him. That man is an idiot.
Anyway, don't worry. I have cautioned him. He will not repeat what he did the other day, okay?
Yeah, I don't like this, so
don't worry.
He deserves to be sacked. Sack him.
Oh, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I'm fine. You right? You now hold me. What are you doing? Let's go inside.
It's okay, calm down. Calm down, okay?
Okay.
No, come, don't go for confrontation. I mean no harm. See, let me tell you, I've been observing you from afar. You really look so beautiful, don't you know? You are well created. Don't worry, I mean no harm. See, let me tell you something, Abigail. Cooperate with me. Feel free. This whole place is my house. All I ask for is just for you to cooperate with me. See, if you cooperate with me, all your problems are solved. I will transform you. I will make you glitter. I will make you look so beautiful. I can take good care of you. I will make you to change all these rags you are putting on, you know, and get twitched and look so beautiful.
This one is not rag, but sir, I don't understand what you mean by I should cooperate with you. I'm cooperating. I know I'm watching. I'm doing everything you asked me to do.
You're not a child. See, let me tell you something. All I want from you is, a mutual understanding. Let us be good, one and one. You get my point? Well, anyway, you come to me later, so we'll talk more about it.
No, sir, I cannot come to your room. I don't have anything to do in your room, sir.
Oh, why are you daft? Why are you acting daft? No, for real, you cannot. Do you know that I am the owner of this house and I can get you sacked this minute?
Sir, but if you're saying I should speak with you so I can retain my job, then I cannot do it, sir. I am sorry, I cannot do it.
You cannot do it. So are you not trying to tell me that no man has ever crossed you? You are here acting like as if you're a virgin or something. Anyway, it's not as if I'm shouting at you, but come on, you are such a beautiful girl. Consider what I just told you.
I'm sorry, sir. I cannot do it.
You cannot do it. Well, I will give you just some few hours to think about it and get back to me. Else you'll be leaving my house tomorrow.
What kind of problem is this one now? What kind of problem is this one? Now that I was thinking that everything is okay. Now this man has brought his own again. God, why can you not just help me? Help me once and for all now. Why will my village people follow me everywhere? I know they are wicked, but come on now, please. Why can't I just have peace?
Okay, Kelly, come with me to my room.
I'm sorry, sir. I cannot, sir. Please, sir.
See, I will not waste time. All I need is just 10 minutes of your time, as a matter of fact. Take this. Take it.
No, sir, please. I cannot sell my body for money. Please,
no,
sir.
It's all yours.
No, I don't want it, sir. Please. Please, sir. I cannot do this.
See, take this, man. If it is not enough, do you want 50,000? Or 100,000? 200,000?
Please, I cannot sell my body for money. Please, sir. Please. I can't do this. Please, sir.
See, I understand your point. But try to understand me. See, let me tell you, it's not only money. I also promise you other things. I will change your life. I will get you good clothes.
Sir, I'm okay. I'm okay with the money you pay me for my work.
Stop this. Come on, you are acting so naive. Look at a beautiful girl like you. You have all these endowments, and looking this beautiful, and you're acting up this way. All I need is just 10 minutes of your time.
Please, sir. I don't have anyone to help me.
Stop
please,
this!
I am begging you, sir. Don't do this to me. Please, sir. I'm just a poor girl from the village. I have nothing to offer you,
stop.
sir. Please,
Stop.
sir.
Stop. See, if you cannot adhere to my request, you are leaving my house first thing tomorrow morning.
Please, sir. Please don't sack me. Please. I beg in the name of God, please don't sack me. This is the only thing I have now. Please, sir. Please,
You want your job, right?
Yes, sir.
You want your job?
Yes, sir.
They won't want to just do this. It won't
I
take them
cannot
just
do it, sir. Please, I cannot do it.
10 minutes, I'm done.
I cannot do it, sir. Please, sir.
You cannot do it.
No, sir. Please.
And you are looking this beautiful.
Please have mercy on me, sir. Please, sir. Please, just spare me. Please,
Don't
I
worry,
promise to
see,
work hard.
Look at me.
You will not complain again.
I can even give you half of my company. Understand it?
No, sir, no.
Be strong. Don't rely. Be have patience. This will turn around one day. Stop crying, ever since my father left us in this world, this has never been the same. It has been one problem to another. Jimo, where are you? No help, no good job at all to help my mom, to help my mama. No help,
keep having this feeling that all is not well with my daughter. I called her all through the night. She did not pick her call. I called her this morning again. She did not pick her call. Onye ka mmadụ no. Onye zi ka mmadụ.
Nobby. Good morning.
I called her all through the night. She did not pick. I called her this morning. She did not pick. Hi, onye ka ngaju.
Nobby. Good morning.
Good morning, Nadi.
You're looking so worried. Is anything the matter?
I am fine. Arodim, I am fine.
How about our daughter? Okay.
You came here this morning to ask me about my daughter.
Is anything bad about asking after my late brother's daughter?
Your late brother's daughter indeed. Since her father died, what have you done for her? Biko, go. I don't want to insult you. Go.
Namobi, if I should go?
Yes.
Okay, let me go actually because I don't want to be insulted. You know I hate being insulted.
Okay, Mama, Biko, go.
Stay alone. Stay there.
An enemy of progress. Monitoring spirit. No, come and ask. For a code. Okay, man. You want to ask if the brother's daughter. The brother's daughter indeed. Bianono. Hi. Oh. Obi.
Afufu webu kwanaram. Obiageri mwa. Ego wa bariga niyo. Kaidibe. Amburu nomu. Eburoji ejichuada. Emesi ogefume. Be strong.
Mama, I cannot take this phone now. Just wait, I'm coming back home. I don't know what to tell you. Good morning.
Yeah. What's going on? Where are you going to?
Good morning. I'm leaving.
Leaving to where?
I'm going to my village. I'm going back to the village.
Why? What happened?
Nothing. Please just open the gate. Let me go back.
No, I cannot open the gate until you tell me what happened. I will not allow you to leave here.
No, sir. Please, I just want to go. I don't want to stay here anymore. I want to go back to the village. I want to go back to my mother.
Okay, calm down and tell me what the problem is. Okay?
Your boss asked me to leave. Don't ask me why, because I will not tell you. Just open the gate for me. Let me go back to the village to my mother.
I have to ask you why now. You can't just go like that. Huh?
Please, I don't want to tell you. I want to go back. Just allow me go.
No, wait first. Wait, I need to know exactly what is going on before.
And I just told you that I cannot tell you now. Please, just let me go. Please. Please.
Sir? What is going on there? Sir, she wants to jabba. She wants to. Bring her in. You've heard it. My Oga says you should come in now, please. My Oga says I should bring you in.
No, don't make me go back, please.
I have to follow his orders.
No, please, I don't want to go back. I don't want to stay here anymore. I want to go back to my village.
You want him to chase me out of this place? No.
I want to go back to my...
Let's go. My Oga says I should bring you in.
I know we have God by our side. He never sleeps nor slumber. Afufu webuna chinu ogageri eku wabanegani o kaidibe. Afufu webuna
They've been picking your calls. You want to kill your mother? I'll put your boom. Always call me, eh? Always call me. I've been worried. I didn't hear from you. I didn't manage to get I have another person now. I'm fine. And how are you? You are fine. Are you sure? Are you sure? How is work? And how is your friend Sandra? No, I'm fine. So bad. Okay. I'm going to go.
Okay. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm okay. I can see you're looking very good.
I just got off the phone with your friend.
Okay, that's nice. I'm just I came around to see someone. I was just passing by. I said to come and say hello to you.
Whenever you're passing by, always check on me.
Definitely.
All the very important.
All right. I'm so sorry. I couldn't get anything for you.
No, it's not enough.
Mama, take this. This.
Hey.
Use the buy bread at least and some other things.
I will. God bless you.
Bless you too, Mama.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you.
All right, Mama. I have to go now. I have to rush. You're fine, right?
Very fine. Okay. I want to move some there.
Bye, Mama.
And bye.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, drive safely.
I will.
I don't want to tell my mother I no longer live in Sandra's house. She will want to know the reason why I left there. I'll just stay here, make some money and start up a petty business. That's what I would do.
Sit down. Sit down. Did you tell my security man what happened last night?
No, I did not tell him anything. No, sir.
So what are you doing here all by yourself?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Now look at me. You would be in trouble with me if I later find out you told him anything.
Why is this man being so difficult? I'm only here because of the security man. At least, that one is nice.
So Obegele is still in this city. I wonder where she is and what she is doing. I'm very sure Tina knows about her whereabouts. If I confront Tina and she lies to me, God help Tina, I am so going to deal with her that she will realize and know who the madam is.
Why are you crying? What is it? What is the problem?
My life is such a mess. It's like misery and misfortune follow me everywhere I go to.
Why would you say a thing like that? Come on, stop it. Stop saying that.
You remember that my friend I told you sent me packing from her house?
Yes, but he never said anything. He never told me of the reason behind her action.
I'll tell you now. See, she sent me out of her house after starving me for 3 days simply because I refused to engage in the same profession as hers.
Which profession?
Prostitution.
What?
I cannot sell my body for money. So when I told her no, she threw me out after starving me for 3 whole days.
Wow. Are you serious?
See, I'd rather die than sell my body to anyone. I thought all these things were behind me, not until I came here. And your boss tried to force himself on me.
My boss did what?
The only reason your boss asked me to leave this house is because he tried to sleep with me and I refused.
I can't believe that my boss could do such a thing. What?
Well, he's a nice man, no? It's not like he's not nice. And I like him. Yes, he's a bit harsh at times, but I like him.
You like him?
I like him because he's nice.
So, I'm a bad man?
No, I did not say that. You're a very nice person, and you're the only reason why I'm still staying in this house.
It's okay, stop crying.
Oh, please don't tell him that I told you.
It's okay, I won't do that. Stop crying.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. I came to tell you that lunch is ready. Should I serve it now?
Yes, you can. I'm famished.
Okay, sir. Sir?
What do you cook?
Oh, Rice and stew, sir.
Rice and stew?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go.
Okay, sir.
She's really beautiful. Honestly. I wish she accepted my advice the other day.
Cynthia. Cynthia. Thank you, forgive me. Cynthia, let's go back to the house. I will explain everything to you.
Go back to the house.
That girl you see, I am sorry. That girl you saw, she was my cousin.
Hey! Ike, your cousin. There is no need apologizing to me. You're just wasting your time. Ike, I have lost a golden opportunity just because of you. Ike would have married me.
Cynthia, please. Okay, let's go back to the house. I will explain everything to you. Please.
To the house? Which house? I don't have your time. Ike, there is no need of apologizing. Let me be. Let me be. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hapumaka, leave me alone, please.
Cynthia, please. I accept the whole blame. Okay, I accept everything. But I am sorry. Please. Forgive me. Let's go back to the house. I will explain everything to you.
What am I even doing?
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder could see. No, to what to do. To if only you can watch your there are fake people around you. If only you can see your there are fake people around you. If only you can read their there are fake people around you. If only you can see their there are fake people around you. If only you can see their there are fake people around you. If only you can feel the there are fake people around you. No one dog could go to the sea. No, to what to do. To go no. I want to do the Akola Bulam. Kahaton and
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, who are you looking for?
Ike. What is the meaning of this? Why are you dressed like this?
I don't know. This is where I found myself. Oh.
Found yourself in a gate man's dress?
That's why I take Siam.
Oh my God. How can?
That's my job now.
How can you be a gate man in your own house?
That's how it is now. So how are you? You got to see me now. Sit down.
Never mind. I was actually not coming here. I was going to the next compound.
Oh, next compound.
What we it's not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No one dog could you see. No, to what to go. If only you can watch your there are fake people around you. If only
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
No, sir, what happened to it?
What happened to this? Yes, sir. If I should give you one dirty slap like this, what sort of nonsense is this? What is wrong with you? Oh, because I've been praising you all this while and it's getting to your head.
No, sir.
Right?
No, sir.
Now will you take this rubbish away from this table now?
Sorry.
And then take away this rubbish!
Yes, sir.
Take it away!
Sorry.
My goodness!
Sorry,
sir. Take this away!
Yes, sir.
Don't touch me, just take this rubbish away.
Sorry, sir.
What nonsense!
Ekuwa bariganyo kaidibe Omburu nomu Eburoje chichuaje Emesi ogefume Be strong Afufu webuna Don't rely Obiagerim Ekuwa bariganyo kaidibe Be strong Afufu webuna Obiagerim
I said it. I said it. So you're still in this town. Help me. I said it. So instead of you to go back to the village and join your mother as you claimed, you said to stay back in the city with a man. You should be ashamed of yourself, Obegeli.
And who says I'm staying with a man here?
I know what pretenders like you are capable of doing, Obegeli. You know what? I think I'll do you a favor. I'll go back to your village. I'll tell your mother that you're no longer staying in my house. And I'll tell her where you are staying. Of course I'll do that. You'll see.
You think I really care what you tell my mother?
Yeah.
No, I don't care. The only reason I didn't tell my mother what's transpired between the both of us is because I don't want her to know the kind of job you do. Out of respect for you.
You are an idiot. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are an idiot. Oh, because you're not even appreciative of anything. I brought you to this city. And I'm still talking. Don't move an inch. You're stupid. I brought you to this city. And all you could do is to pay me like this. Pay me back in this way. Obegini, I bet you're going to regret all you do in this city. You will see it. You will regret it. Pretender. Idiot. Smelling thing. Stupid thing. Pretender.
No good job at all to help mama.
So she thinks throwing me out of her house will make me useless. But when that did not happen, she becomes angry. What people.
I know we have God by our side. He never sleeps. No slumber. Afufu webuna Chingo Obiagerimwa Ekuwa baniganyo Kaidibe Afufu webuna Obiagerimwa Ekuwa baniganyo Kaidibe.
Boss, what's this? This is too early. You don't even know how well.
You know, my mom called. She said she'll be coming in next week.
What?
Yeah.
Next week? Yeah. That is a very short notice, you know.
Yeah, now you see my rush. I have to take the bull by the horn.
Oh. But boss, are you really sure you want to cast all your lots on this girl?
I'm sure. And I know I won't regret it.
Well, if you have this confidence in her, it's okay, you have my support. But I just want you to be careful and watch it very well.
It's okay.
You understand? Is that gate open?
Yeah, that shows I'm not a gate man.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you leave my gate open? Are you insane?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone nuts?
No, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
My son, will you return to your duty post immediately?
It won't happen again. Okay, sir.
Will you go if I kick you off? What is wrong with you? And you? Where are you coming from?
Traffic. Yes.
Traffic?
Yes, sir.
Oh, traffic. You have excuse to every offense you commit. Now get inside. Immediately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sorry, sir.
Get in! What sort of rubbish is this?
So this is where Obi came. She didn't even realize I followed her to this place. I am going to make sure I find out who lives here and what Obi is doing in this house. She does not know who she's messing with. No, she does not know me. She needs to learn.
What is it?
My dear, I'm so sorry. I know that you're very busy inside, okay?
It's okay, but you have to be fast, eh? Okay. You know our guy is around and I don't want him to meet us here.
Oh, okay. I'll be very brief, okay? You know, since you came into this compound, I've been watching you. And I know you possess this character that captivates me, okay? Yes, I'm going to go straight to the point now, okay? The truth is that I love you. And I want you to marry me. Please. Is it funny?
Sorry, please, can you just stop this joke? Tell me why you called me out. What is inside though?
I am not joking. I am serious. I am damn serious. Yes. Please, marry me.
Damn me. Obviously, should marry you.
Yes. Am I not a human being? I'm a human being. I'm a good man. You're a good woman. So we can marry each other.
How is that even possible? Besides, who told you that I'm a good woman? Who said I'm good?
Oh, stop saying
that. How
that.
do you know that I'm good?
I know you're a good woman.
Emeka, you know what? Go back to your duty post, eh? Later we'll talk about it. Yes, please.
Okay, it's okay. Wonderful.
Mama, you look good yourself. You look so young and fresh. Oh, Mama.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Mama, I wanted to surprise you. Everything is fine, Mama. Mama, it's good to see you. Mama, see, I brought bread for you.
Hey, but I really miss you.
I miss you too, Mama. Mama, let's go inside. We have a lot of stuff.
No.
Welcome, girl. Thank you, Mama.
I am still not comfortable with Emenike's decision. He always rushed things, therefore creating problems for himself, and he will still turn back to blame himself again. I'll not let him make such mistakes again. It is good as Obegele has come to see her mother, but that will not stop me from my plans.
The young man is a good man, and he said he wants to marry you.
Yes, Mama. He's a good man and he loves me so much.
Okay. Let's forget about the fact that he's a good man. Is that what you want for yourself? Why I'm asking all these questions is because you are my only daughter. I don't want you to make mistakes.
Mama, the most important thing is he's a good man and I want to marry him too.
He's a good man. Okay, he's a good man. But is that what you want for yourself?
Mama, you have nothing to be worried about. I am certain that he will not give you any reason to complain. Don't worry.
Where is he from?
He's the one calling me.
Hello? Yes, she's here with me. Mama, he wants to speak to you. Hold on for her.
Hello now.
So it is true that Obegeni is still illicit. Who knows what she does where she is? Mama Sandra said she saw her enter a big compound. Could it be she fell into a hand of a man who offered her help? I wish I too can find my way out of here. I am not longer enjoying what I am doing here.
Very good.
Mama, I know you're not happy about it, but money is not everything.
That is not what I mean. The voice I heard over the phone is not the voice of a gate man. He sounds like a big man.
Now you now read voices.
One funny thing about him is that when you see him, you will not believe he's a gate man. The job does not really fit him. Oh.
Trust me, if you see him, you will never believe that he's a gate man if you see him outside. But don't worry, you will like him when you see him.
No problem until I see him.
Don't worry, you'll see him soon.
Go and get food, let's eat. I know you must be hungry by now.
Ah, Mama, I have missed your meals. Your cooking.
I have missed your cooking. Wait, let me go bring food.
God, it is your wish. Let it work out. But if it's not, people, which are colonial.
How did you do this? I don't know. I can't even imagine it. Oh my God! I thought I think I'm dreaming, baby.
My brain just fell. That's excitement.
Babe, you're not dreaming. This is real.
This is real. It is real.
Baby, just tell me I'm dreaming. Like, tell me I'm dreaming.
You're not dreaming.
Hey!
Oh my God, oh my God, my ring. Excitement won't finish me. Babe, you're not dreaming.
Are you sure?
Hold on. You are lucky.
I am more than lucky. Please, I need water. Can I have water?
Let me go and get you.
Wait. No, baby, sis.
I don't
wait. I don't want water. Okay, I don't want water.
What do you want?
Just tell me, am I dreaming?
Baby, you're not dreaming. Okay, hold on. Hey! You're not
telling me?
No.
I am made.
No. Calm down now. Now we now.
We are made, baby. We are made.
We are made, girlfriend.
We just arrived, baby girl.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
This is a jackpot.
I feel like I'm floating on top of the world. Like,
oh my God.
Babe, at this point, I'm made.
No. We are made. Hold on, wait for me. We are made, girlfriend.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Hi. I have a confession to make to you. Confession to make.
Confession about what?
We'll talk later. We'll talk about it later.
Okay, sure.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
Where is the briefcase I left here?
I saw a briefcase not so long ago.
Okay. You left it here?
Yes. Where is it?
I can't find it, sir.
You can't find it?
No, sir.
My friend, where is the briefcase I left here? And you say you can't find what? Are you sick or something?
I saw it,
Hey! See, let me tell you. This is not the kind of money you will steal and go scot-free.
Me? Steal? Why would I? No, I can't steal. Why would...
It's okay. It's okay. Can you excuse us, please?
I've never. I won't even think of.
Please.
I did not steal. I can't steal. I've
I need
never
to-
stolen in my life.
Just excuse us.
Anything I do, I know you know the best I know. Anything I do, I know you know the best I know.
Boss, do not believe her. That girl is a thief, and she must provide this money.
What do you think she will do with 20 million naira?
Boss, are you seriously asking me this question? I will not wait though. I will call the police.
Hold on, friends. Don't go there. Don't go there. Let's search this house thoroughly and know what will happen. You know, I know her. She cannot do such a thing.
Boss, you trust her so easily. Someone you don't even know, you barely know this girl. She just entered this house from nowhere.
It's okay. It's okay. Just hold on first. Let me talk with her. Just don't go there. Hold on first. Let me talk. Okay. Let me talk to her first.
Anything I do, I know you know the best I know. Anything I do, I know you know the best I know.
Hello, officer. Please, rush to my house now. There is a thief in the house now. No, now. At my boss' house, that's my boss's house. Please come there with your boys right now, please.
What? 20 million naira? What the hell is she doing with 20 million naira? Emenike did not believe that she took it. Then who did? This is unbelievable. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Okay, let me call you back. Yeah, I'll call you back. Ha! Are you serious?
Believe me, sir. I did not touch it. I saw the briefcase on top of it, but I did not go.
Will you shut up and stop lying?
Please, sir.
See, let me tell you something. Start talking now, no, because police are on their way. And save yourself this line.
Please, I promise, I swear on my life, I did not take it. I did not take it. Please, sir. Please.
See, Obegeli, you should better save yourself this stress and tell us where you kept this money.
I did not take it. I don't even know what is inside. I don't know. Oh my God. I did not touch it. Sir, please just believe me, sir. I didn't. God. Oh God.
Hello? Alright, you are here. Alright. Come in.
Sir, please, I swear on my life, I will not do something like this. Please, sir.
Obegili was the only person in this house. So how did the briefcase got missing? I've ransacked the whole house, yet there is no trace of it anywhere. Who could she have taken it to?
Monica, how did you go? Nah, you should have got up. Not at all. Monica.
She is still denying it. Well, she's already in the cell. Emenike, that girl is a hardened criminal. Seriously, I believe she must have taken that money to someone else.
I'm not just happy about this. I feel somehow now because I thought Obegili is different from others.
Emenike, see, the most innocent ones are always dangerous. You must know that about women.
Then, who could she have taken the money to?
Are you serious? Don't you know where she's coming from? I believe she must have given that money to one of these girls.
What if someone else took the money?
For real, Emenike? Who? No, tell me who?
I'm not just happy.
Emenike, don't let that girl brainwash you. You and I was in that meeting all through. Obiageli was in this house all through by herself. So tell me, who else could have done that?
Okay, what if she really did? She wouldn't have stick around and wait for us. She would have stayed away before we came back.
Emenike, don't be deceived. Come on, it is very simple. You and I know that she will not go anywhere. She told us you will understand. Because you believe in her so much. See, Emenike, I'm going to use her to set an example to all these girls who want to reap where they do not sow. Yes, I will.
My mother is coming in tomorrow.
Oh, really? Then you must tell her everything. Yes, you must tell your mother everything. As a matter of fact, this one you're looking at me like this, if you cannot, I will do it myself. I will.
Anything I do, I know you know they face a more. Anything I do, I know you know they face a more. My are you well, ATM machine. My are you well, ATM machine. The guy na my are you well, my ATM machine. My are you well, ATM machine. He's in love, my are you well, ATM machine. You be my boo, I got it what you like. Are you well, ATM machine? Are you well, ATM machine? He is in love, love done by phone. Are you well, ATM machine? Are you well, ATM machine? You can love her, you can trust her because of chill water. You can think again, baby confusion. Now you get the man. He can do anything you want to because you are the spec. Call him, anyone you call him, you don't mistake. Call him, anyone you call him, you don't mistake.
You okay?
I'm fine. But you are not looking happy. What's wrong?
Oh, I'm not happy. No, I'm just trying to be tough and hard-hardened. But it's just very hard for me to be, women. I just what to do to them. I don't really know what to do right now.
I guess it's about the girl that stole your money, right?
Yes, but I still can't tell. Up till now, I'm still very confused. But Chike said that she pleaded innocent just to achieve her aim. You understand? But I don't know. That girl that I know is a nice girl, a very nice girl. She can't do a thing like that.
Well, son, you see, Chike might be right, Some innocent, decent and quiet girls are the most dangerous. I guess I should be blamed for the emotional damage you experienced over time. Yes. I should have talked you into getting away before I return. I'm sorry for that. You have to calm down. Huh? Don't worry, I'm here now. I will help you fix things. With time, you get a good wife. Alright? Okay?
It's okay, Mom. Thank you very much.
Can you just brighten this face? That's good.
Good.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Anyone you call him, you don't mistake. Call him. Anyone you call him, you don't mistake.
I don't know why I keep having this bad dream about my daughter. And I've not heard from her since the last time she visited home. Now her phone has been switched off for the past 3 days. I don't have another line to get to her. I'm so worried. I'm so worried.
Dominica. How long are you going to continue like this? See, bro, you need to forget about everything and move on with your life.
Chai, you know me too well. You know me too well. You know me like a brother. We are like brothers. Okay. Have you ever known me as a very wicked and heartless person?
Manika.
Do you know me as that?
Manika, this is not a question to be asked. If anybody should be a demon, that is me.
Chike, I am damn serious here. I am serious. You know, I've been thinking a lot lately about the action I took. I made a judgment call and I did not stand up for her.
Manika, how could you have stood up for a thief?
Call her a thief? Of course. What proof do we have to tag her a thief? Is it because she's just the only person at home the day the case was missing?
That is enough proof, Emenike. As long as I'm concerned in this case, she still remains a suspect. Nothing changes.
Oh my God!
What is it? Where are you going?
I am just a fool. I should have known.
No, what?
I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I should have known this earlier before now.
No, what?
I'm coming.
This guy is going crazy. I mean...
Babe, the agent said my visa will be out next week.
Oh, God.
Finally.
I'm telling you.
That means, girlfriend, you are supposed to be leaving this month.
Exactly, baby girl. Oh, but what will I be doing in this country with the opportunity I have in my hands?
It'll be your fault now. You don't get called in this country. Just remember me your paradise when you get there. Don't forget me.
You know I will, baby. Come on. Anyway, where do you say we're going to?
I think we should be going to that house I saw my friend entering today. The owner of that house seemed to be a big fish.
Really?
I know we both need connection.
What are we waiting for?
People go upstairs, carry our bag, go. Let's go upstairs, take our bag and leave this fucking place.
Really?
Oh, God.
This guy is not still here. Where could he have gone to? He's not even picking up his phone. Let it not be that this guy is up to something. He could be in danger. Why do I keep having these feelings that something is about to go wrong?
Babe, that's the house I told you about.
This one?
Yes.
No, babe, I know the owner of this house. He's a deadly man. We should not be here. Let's leave this place.
I don't understand.
Babe, let's go. I will explain to you. Let's go.
You're scaring me, deadly man.
Babe, let's go now. We're not supposed to be here. Let's go.
It's okay, I'm driving.
I will talk to you when I come back.
Hey? What's the problem?
Open the gate for me.
Okay.
Babe, this is the Vanessa girl, the idiot that betrayed you. And who the hell are you calling an idiot?
Hello? It's you. And what will you do? And what will you do? Beat me?
Ginika, the next time you stop me on the road to tell me this rubbish, you will not like what I will do to you.
But babe, what's up now? Why do they end up like this? You don't say you mess up big time. You just go betray your best friend. I be like your friend. I don't know. Now your best friend be this. Just go betray him just like that. It don't make sense now. Come on, admit say you mess up. You mess up. Big time.
Sandra, stay out of this. Please.
Just you don't respect her. Anyway,
I don't blame you.
See this church rats.
She came out, they talk. You think it's the Ginika of yesterday, you know? Sweetheart, I am no longer that same Ginika. And if you cross your boundaries, I'll teach you a lesson you will not forget in a hurry.
You're just an ungrateful bitch.
Oh.
You have forgotten everything so soon. How I introduced you to Emenike, how you were happy and all.
Oh, really? I should pour my life out for you to know that I am grateful, right? Come on, get out of this place.
Get out of my sight.
Got this bingo.
Rubbish.
I go to that kind of thing now.
Do you understand?
I bet enter car, I bet she no reach.
Anything I do, you know they face up. Anything I do, you know they face up.
Don't be made now. Don't be made.
I'm them
rubbish. No friend.
The guy na my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM. This is love, my all you well. You be my movie. I got it.
What are you talking about?
Obiageli is innocent.
Here you go. You at it again.
Hold on, let me finish. You know I've been a fool all this while, not to have remembered that I have camera in my house.
Okay.
The real criminal is here. Yes, you need to see this.
Who is the person?
Just take a look and see it by yourself.
Call up Call him Mugu, Mugu. Anyone you call him, you know mistake you. Call him Mugu, call him Mugu, Mugu. Anyone you call him, you know mistake you. Baby, mama, she said, you carry what you want, baby. This your love, don't blindfold me. I can do anything for you, baby boy. No matter what you do, I still love you. I don't become a moon for your love. Don't break my heart, Maggie, be familiar. The many girl lover boy, you know. Anything I do, I'm more, you know, the best I'm more. Anything I do, I'm more, you know, the best I'm more. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. The guy now my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. You be my mugu, I got it what you like you. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. He is in love, love don't blindfold and bata bata. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM.
What? American, you mean Ginika did this?
This is why I've been so worried.
This is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Ginika, I need to call Vanessa right now so she will help us to locate her.
I think I have to go to the police station to get Obegele released.
Oh, no. Emenike, first thing first, we need to get Ginika arrested before she runs away.
Welcome, my dear. Sit. Sorry, my son has told me everything. I'm sorry for the inconveniences. Oh, well, now has she taken her bed?
Yes, she has.
What about food? Has she eaten?
She has eaten at the fast food.
Oh, that's nice. Once again, I apologize. Please accept my apology. Thank God, I'm happy that God has exposed, has revealed the person. Thank God. Thank God. Welcome. No.
Chike is calling. Hello? Alpha. Okay. I am coming right away. I'm coming now. Okay, Mom. I'm coming. Let me see you. Please take care of her.
Okay, be
careful.
careful.
Okay? I will.
Very careful. Be careful, young one.
What is still keeping him in Ike? He ought to have been here by now. Delay is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. What if these girls get away with this now? What are we going to do? Mba. No. I can't miss this.
Babe, I've been asking you since. You've not told me why you suddenly want to embark on this journey. Today of all days.
Baby, I don't know. I just have a feeling that something will go wrong. I just need to go. Please.
Okay, fine. So where are you going to?
I don't know, but I'll call you. When I get to where I'm going to, please. Okay, don't worry, I'll be fine.
I'm not happy now.
Babe, I'm fine. I'll be okay, okay?
Okay. Officer.
What's going on?
That's the criminal officer.
What's going on here? I don't understand.
For real?
Yes.
You better shut up or you get into trouble more. Officer, that's her.
I asked, what is our offense, for heaven's sake? What is going on here?
You have the right to keep silent. Anything you do or say, you are not.
Officers, will you arrest the both of them? Take them away. What?
You be my
How will you move it?
Criminals.
He is in love.
So after the whole thing, we were able to recover 18 million naira.
So remaining 2 million, right? That's good.
And she'll be bringing it tomorrow. All of it. Where is Abedele?
She should be in her room.
The mom, I think it's our time to go to see her people for proper introduction.
What introduction?
Marriage introduction, of course.
Son, you will not marry that girl. You will not marry that low life.
Mom, please stop this joke.
I am not joking. You will marry from a wealthy family. Okay?
Mom, if I tell you what I passed through to get this girl, you pity me.
She doesn't deserve any sacrifice you made for her. Marry her. Okay,
Mom, she's the one I want to get married to.
And I said you will not marry her. I am your mother, you should listen to me. Don't worry, I will settle her and send her away.
Mama, I will not let you do that. No.
Anything I do, you know the best I know. Afufu webu kwanaram, obiageri mwa, ego mwa bariga niyo, kaidibe, opuru nomu, eburoji ejichuaja, emesi ogefume.
Okay, give me.
Be strong.
Why are you crying? What is it?
Don't rely.
You can't tell me nothing. When you're crying, I went to your room, I couldn't find you, and I saw that you've packed your clothes. What is going on?
Well, I'm leaving your house. Yes, I'm leaving. You lied to me. You deceived me that you were a security man. Why? I loved you, yet you deceived me. As if that was not even enough. You accused me of stealing your money. And you locked me up in a police cell for 5 days.
This will turn around one day.
My dear.
Stop crying.
I am sorry for everything. See, I actually disguised myself so I can find someone who loves me for who I am and not for my money. And you see, you passed the whole test. You're actually qualified to be that woman that I want.
Nothing you will say will make me believe you. I want nothing to do with you. You know, I had your discussion with your mother.
Come on, forget.
And she made me realize that I am not a match for you. I thought I was, but now I know better.
Forget what my mother said. Look unto me.
Look unto you after you lied to me and deceived me. Well, I'm grateful for everything you did for me. I'm thankful. I appreciate. But I want nothing to do with you.
said I'm sorry, it wasn't intentional.
I'm leaving your house. I'm leaving your house, and that's fine now. I am leaving your house.
I know we have God by our side. He never sleeps nor slumber.
Mom, can you please excuse us? We're having a private discussion.
What kind of private discussion are you having with this low life? Anyway, I will say it in her presence. See, my son will never marry you. He will not marry you. Heard this. Have it. It's a check of 2 million naira. Use it and start a new life.
Please, I don't want it. You don't have to give me this. I won't trouble you anymore. I'm leaving your house. Don't worry. But you don't need to give me this, please. Just...
You're going nowhere. This is between you and I. My mother wasn't there when we started.
Emenike, don't you dare me. Else, I will call your father.
Mom, go ahead and call him. If you succeed in sending her away, just know it. I will go away. I will stay away from this place and you'll never see me again.
Can you stop?
You're going nowhere.
You don't have to be disrespectful to your mom. She's still your mom.
What have you done to my son? No, what have you done to him? Go and undo whatever you did to him. Go in there, pack your things and leave because you're not going to marry him. Not when I'm still in this house. Nonsense.
What have I gotten myself into now? What have I gotten myself?
So where are you going to?
Mom, I don't even know where I'm going to.
Meaning?
I don't know. I'm no destination.
Someplace come off it. Stop this thing you are doing. You're a grown man now. Eh?
Mom, please, whatever decision you want to make, go ahead and do it now. Because if I leave here, you'll never see me again.
Oh, you want to leave? No, you want to leave this house. You are not living anywhere until you take off that thing you cast on my son. Are you hearing me?
I did not cast any spell on your son. My mother did not teach me such.
Will you shut up? Just shut up your mouth. My son is there packing his things. He said he's leaving. Going to goes nowhere. Better go there and stop him. Or else you will tell the whole world what you did to my son. Nonsense. Go in and stop him. I won't repeat myself again. Son! Stop!
What did I do to deserve all of this now? Eh? I did not do anything to him. I did nothing to him.
Don't worry, you did nothing to me. Okay, I'm just being controlled by the love I have for you. Yes. You did nothing to me actually.
What's this? What is wrong with you? You know that you and I cannot be together. What's the meaning of all of this? Please just allow me, let me go. Please, leave me alone.
I'm not holding you. You can go. Feel free. Go wherever you want to go to. But bear it in mind that wherever you go, I go. If you fly, fly.
Melike,
Enna,
what is happening here? Why are you carrying your bag?
As you can see, we are traveling. We are leaving.
Traveling?
Yeah.
To where?
Unknown destination. We don't even know where we're going to. Sure?
Sir, please, eh?
Emenike, can we see aside?
No, you don't do that. You can't see me aside. Okay? Whatever you want to say, say it here. Because I know my mom called you. Yes, my mom called you. If there's anybody you should see aside, it should be her. See, you know how this thing started. You know everything. You know all the sacrifice. So I'm not letting anything to stop this. It's not going to work.
Sir, please, beg him for me. Talk to him. His mother is accusing me of
charming him, and I did no such thing. I didn't do anything to him. See, I just want to go home and be free from all of this. I want nothing to do with this, please.
Let's go, my dear. Let's go and be free. You have to be free. You want to go with us so we can be free together. Dikeh.
Behaving like this now.
Chicken. I have nothing against that girl. She's a good girl. Yes. A good wife material. But my son will never marry from such a poor, wretched home. No, never.
Mom, I understand. I understand your point of view. But you see, Emenike and Obiageli has bonded so much that it will be difficult for them to split apart. Mom, please just try to reconsider. I beg of you.
I am not reconsidering anything. She bewitched my son. That's the reason my son has lost his sense of reasoning. My son has never disrespected me for once. Not for once! That is the evidence of the spell she casted on him.
Mom, that is not true.
Dikeh, what do you know? No. You don't know anything. Just don't say what you don't know. He is my son. I know him too well. And he should listen to me. Yes, he should listen to me.
So, Mom, what are we going to do?
Didn't you hear me? Whoever that knows that girl that is called Obiageli or what, you should go and tell her to undo what she did on my son. Okay?
So, what if Emenike was the one that cast a spell on her? Just maybe.
Listen. If you truly love me, then let me go. See, this thing you're doing is not fair. It will not take us anywhere. Eh? You have to listen to your mother.
As you can see, we've already packed, so it's taking us somewhere already. My dear, see, my heart is for you. And you alone. So if you want me to let you go, then stop the heartbeat.
Well, see, let's forget about our emotions and face reality. You know what? I cannot marry you. I don't want to marry you, in fact. Just allow me go. What? You have to stop all of this. Let me just go. I don't want anything to do with you. Sit down.
It is done. I can see how inseparable both of you are. Come. Say come. Don't be afraid, come. See, I'm sorry for all I've said to you. Pardon me and pardon my utterances. Okay? Please marry my son.
Hey, wait. Is this for real or are you guys trying to trick me? Hey, Mom? Chike, are you serious now?
I'm serious.
Chike,
What's a trick?
It's yours.
Hey, see, go. My guy. guy, I love this.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Aha. I'm so sorry for all the mistakes I've made.
You're forgiven.
Are you sure? You jump, I jump. You fly, I fly.
Oh.
Wow, thank you so much.
Mama, I thought you said your husband is a gate man. No. Why are you laughing?
Mama, it was all tricks. Yes. He said he wanted a woman who can love him for who he is and not for what he has.
So you are saying he is not
Yes, Mama. You have a rich son-in-law.
Obiagili. Obiagili.
Mama.
I'll call you 419.
Mama.
Obiagili means 419.
Mama.
Hey!
I don't know, like he wanted to disguise himself. How is that my fault?
Hey! Oh, yes, the Cambo. Oh!
Mama.
My name is 419.
Mama.
Obiagili.
Mama.
I'll call you 419.
Mama.
Hey!
I don't know, like he wanted to disguise himself. How is that my fault?
Hey! Hey!
Mama, I didn't know your leg was strong like this. Mama, I didn't know your leg is strong enough to dance like this. Mama, please don't jump, don't jump.
Anything I do, I know you know the best. Anything I do.
My daughter. I'll be your mom.
Uncle.
Take this drink. Go and show us who is your husband.
The guy na my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. You be my boo, I carry what you like. He is in love, love down by phone. My all you well. You can
I don't want it.
Hey! Aku gongwa.
Oh, they would eat back. I want to go. Hey! No. You have a husband. Your husband is handsome. I pray for you. As you have come to this family to have a wife, a beautiful wife and Damata. She will bear you children. She will bear you female children. She will bear you male children. Peace shall come from her in the family. I bless you today in the name of Jesus.
I still love you. I don't become anything I do, I know you know the best. Anything I do, I know you know the best. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. The guy na my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM. He's in love. My all you well, ATM machine. You be my boo, I carry what you like. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. He is in love, love down by phone. My all you well, ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. Child, you can love her, you can lust her because of love her. You can think again, child. But be confusion. Now you get the man. He can do anything you want because you are the best. Call up.